Alright, let's get started here. Alright, guys, so if you're seeing this is the roadmap to making money online. Okay, so phase one, it's always the foundation and the positioning. Okay, what that is like I need to define my niche. So let's just say, we'll use me as an example. When you guys go to my page, what do you usually see? Okay, so let's go over here to Instagram. Okay, sorry guys, I'm kind of slow when it comes to typing. Above. Of course I'm not logged in. That's crazy. Amos.fit. Password. Thought I knew my password, guys. Hold on. Come on, just log me in, dude. Hey, alright, let's see. We got 219. Apologies. Save info. Gosh. Alright, so we go to my Instagram. Let's see. Okay, cool. Let's hit my profile right here. Okay, what do you see, guys? Okay, my niche is obviously, like, I do a lot of fitness. I have a lot, like, overcoming fears, stepping stones, like how far I've come, my journey. Why do I want to talk about my journey? It's because, like, people really want to be able to, what do you call it, connect with what it is you post. Guys, if people aren't connecting with you and they find nothing in common, why would they even work with you? That's why a lot of my fitness coaches will come in here, and when they put on their stories, like, let's just say for an example, I put honey on my my yogurt. Let's see, I put honey on my oats before I go into the gym because I think it gives me a sick pump. Then old Johnny comes through and he does the same thing and he has a great experience with it. Guess what? That's 1-0 on any other coach with me and old Jimmy, because who's Jimmy going to use for his coach? Me every single time, because then he's going to swipe over my story and say, hey bro, I just used the exact same technique you used and it worked for me. Let's get started. You know what I mean? So we always want to be able to, like, post what it is our niche is. If we're not posting 7 to 12 times on our story and we're not posting 1 to 3 times on Instagram a day, and yes, I did say that, a day, how are we going to attract what we want to be able to commute and also give a great service out if we're not posting every day? Okay, so let's keep looking at my page right here. So as you can tell, I'm always talking about sales. You know, I'm like, right. Hey, that's exactly why I'm here, 100%. So I'm always talking about my sales. I show the lifestyle I live. Guys, I don't recommend really flaunting all this crazy stuff. This is when I was degenerate, but I love it, and it was a throwback, and it was a very memorable time to me, and maybe a lot of people can, like, resonate with it. Okay, so I'm just posting my life. I love these little carousels, guys. The Instagram algorithm loves carousel reels with these little letters of just dropping some nuggets in there. Okay, so, like, I love doing this and playing around with Canva, and which I'll also teach you guys how to do so. Okay, but right now is we need to discover a niche. Okay, so what are we helping? Are we doing fitness? Is it going to be mindset, finances, relationships, whatever it may be? Do so. I have ideas on the next slide, which we'll go over that in a second. So we want to offer a freaking clarity. So we want to pick one high valued offered coaching, digital product or service. Okay, what that means is, like, for me, I offer help on how to grow a social media. Like, I grow your personal brand. You are your business. You are your LLC. Okay, and a lot of people don't know that, so they get curious and they don't know how, and I kind of plug and play their systems to actually use their audience to transform that into a profitable income, like a good residual income, just through plug and play systems, right? And that is all organically, and I'm going to show you guys how to do the exact same thing. So offer a clarity, we want to pick one. So you need to figure out what it is you want to do, niche down into that, and then we definitely need to start attracting, and we'll get more into that. Okay, so brand identity, personal brand story. We want to be very authentic when it comes to positioning what we want to attract towards our way, because we want people to what? Have stuff in common with us, because I want people who genuinely fuck with my content, and if you don't, keep going, and I don't want anything to do with you, to be honest, okay? Social media profiles optimized, so we need to make sure our bios are plugged in correctly and actually talking about what it is we do. So once again, let's go back to my Instagram, okay? What does my bio say? I'm the CEO of Pivotal Edge. People usually can hit Pivotal Edge and be like, okay, what is it? It's my consulting page, right? So exactly what I just showed you. I help brands scale, and I DME Pivot for one-on-one trainings, turning your influence into income. Boom, pretty freaking simple, okay? Not only that, I've got to offer clarity. I'm in fitness, I'm in health, I'm in sales, I do it all. And usually when you're in those kinds of fields, you have to have a correct physique and a correct mindset. Not only that, but I did fitness coaching beforehand, and I was very successful at that. So now I just plug and play coaches systems, and usually that's who I attract, is people who want to grow online, grow on social media, start a business, and actually turn their influence into profit. Okay, so let's go on to phase 2. This is audience. We can stop.